Endless landscapes. No tree, no brush. Just steep cliffs where the white surf hits. Grazing sheeps on scattered grassland, next to forgotten villages. Step by step, closer to the unknown. Unknown environment create new perspectives, allows us to dive into new adventures, and learn about things we never thought we would, and see things we never thought we would. It's that curiosity that drives us forward, makes us want to go out and discover places we've never been. Meet new people, listen to their stories, and get new insights of cultures we're not familiar with. Like children, we want to learn and explore, always looking for the next adventure.